What's going on, guys? Dustin at cardboardhobby.com. Only got one break tonight, 2014 Topps Triple Threads of Baseball. It's 3 boxes, September 23rd, 2014. Before the break began, you guys voted. You guys chose the left side. These right 3 will be going off on Thursday. So on Thursday, if you guys want to get on those 3, that's where they're going to be. You guys chose this 3 for the night. I'm going to go ahead and read off our team and our owners. We got Ben with the Tigers, Brandon with the Indians, Butch with the Diamondbacks, Orioles, Cubs, White Sox, Angels, and Marlins. Eric with the Brewers, Mariners, and Nationals. James with the Royals, Jordan with the Phillies, Jose with the Dodgers and Cardinals. Joseph with the Red Sox, Reds, Rangers. Joshua with the Braves and Astros. Michelle with the Twins, Yankees, Athletics, and Padres. Ruben with the Rays. Stephen with the Giants. Or Stephen S. with the Giants. Stephen D. with the Rockies. Tony with the Mets. Travis with the Blue Jays. And I'm waiting on a payment from Jaka Bad for the Pirates. There we go, guys. There's our teams. Good luck to everybody in this break. Here's our 3 boxes for the night. I'll go ahead and show you guys these one by one. Box 1, there's box 2. We got sealed rounds, you guys can see that, and then our 3rd box. There you go. I'll start with this one first. Good luck to everybody in this break. Hopefully we get you guys something nice tonight. That's the plan. 2 bucks. Here's our mini box 1, guys. So much work for these packs. Fort Knox to get in. All right, guys. Our first insert is going to be parallel Johnny Bench out of 250. Johnny Bench for the Reds out of 250. And we got Buster Posey out of 325 for the Giants. Buster Posey out of 325 for the Giants. And our base are Jose Canseco, A's. Cespedes, A's. And then Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals. Here comes our hits, guys. For the Orioles, Kevin Gausman. We hit this last time, same card. Out of 50. Kevin Gausman out of 50 for the Orioles. 42 out of 50 for the Orioles, Kevin Gausman. Then behind that, for the Rangers, Vladimir Guerrero, 30 out of 36. So Vlad making an appearance, 30 out of 36 for the Texas Rangers, Vladimir Guerrero. Cool card. Here comes me box 2, box 1. Good. All right, first parallels out of 250, Chris Davis for the Orioles. Chris Davis for the Orioles out of 250. And Chris Davis out of 325 for the Orioles. So 2 Chris Davis inserts. 1 out of 250, 1 out of 325 for the Orioles. Then our base, Dustin Pedroia, Red Sox. Giancarlo Stanton, Marlins. And Madison Bumgarner, Giants. Here comes our hits. First one is for the Orioles again. Is Jonathan Scoop out of 99. Jonathan Scoop out of 99 for the Orioles. The Orioles on fire early. 2 jersey autos for the Orioles. And then behind that, going up and down, Nick Swisher with a sweet patch there. That's awesome. It's number 5 of 9 for the Indians. Focus a little bit. 5 and 9 for the Indians. Nick Swisher. It's a sweet looking card there. 5 of 9 for the Indians. All right, it's our first box, guys. Here comes box 2. 2. Box 2, mini 1. So we got a redemption in here. I think we got a redemption in here. Pretty thin. Maybe I'm wrong. No, there is a redemption. Okay. We got Don Mattingly out of 125 for the Yankees. Clayton Kershaw out of 250 for the Dodgers. Our base, David Wright, Mets. Carlos Beltran, Yankees. And Jose Reyes, Blue Jays. I'll save the insert for last. We got Michael Bourne for the Indians out of 18. Michael Bourne for the Indians out of 18. And then our redemption, good luck, rookies and futures, Yordano Ventura for the Royals. Yordano Ventura for the Royals. Black Parallel, so that's a sweet card. It's a black parallel. Auto relic. Black of Yordano Ventura for the Royals. A sweet Royals card there. Congrats on that. Mini 2. Shininess in this one. Mike Piazza for the Dodgers. The Dodgers out of 99. Mike Piazza for the Dodgers out of 99. And for the Dodgers again, Clayton Kershaw out of 325. Clayton Kershaw out of 325 for the Dodgers. Base, John Singleton, Astros. Noel Ryan, Rangers. And Jarrett Cole, Pirates. Here we go. First hit, Eric Davis, relic auto for the Reds. 17 of 25. 17 of 25, Eric Davis for the Cincinnati Reds. Relic auto. And then for the Diamondbacks, Chris Owings, 14 of 27. What we got looks like light red, dark red, and orange. So Chris Owens for the Diamondbacks. Chris Owings for the Diamondbacks. All right, guys, looking for a big one here. Good luck on this last box. Fat one in here. It's a pregnant one. It's a pregnant pack. Let's see what we got. It's giant. We got a super thick one in here. Alright, we got Adrian Beltre out of 99 for the Rangers. Adrian Beltre out of 99 for the Rangers. Hanley Ramirez out of 250 for the Dodgers. A lot of Dodgers parallels in here. Out of 250, Hanley Ramirez. Our base, Ian Kinsler. Adrian Gonzalez, Dodgers. And Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. Here we go. Here's our... we got a bonus hit, that's why. Got a bonus. Mike Napoli for the Red Sox out of 75. 15 of 75. Mike Napoli for the Red Sox. 15 of 75, Mike Napoli. And then, whoa, sweet hit here. Jonas Cespedes, Bryce Harper, Yu Darvish. Number 1 of 9. So I'll check ownership on this one, guys, if we don't have a... Sweet patches there, too. There's not a majority owner. Yu Darvish has 3 colors. Harper has 2, and then Cespedes has 1. That's a sweet-looking card. I'll check the ownership on that right now. The A's go to Michelle. The Nationals go to Eric. to Michelle, Eric, and the Rangers go to Joseph. So this will be random at the end, guys. This will be random off at the end. And then what do we have here? I don't know. It's really random. Runod Oder, number 95 out of 100. So there's a random free hit out of 100 for the Rangers. Runod Oder for the Texas Rangers out of 100. Out of 100. 95 out of 100. All right, here comes our last mini, guys. And then we're going to do the random.org at the end for the triple throw. All right, we got Justin Verlander out of 125 for the Tigers. Adam Jones out of 325 for the Orioles. Our base, Chris Davis, Orioles. Randy Johnson, Mariners. And Jim Rice, Red Sox. Last hits, guys. Good luck. First one goes to Starling Marte for the Pirates, 13 of 18. 13 of 18, Starling Marte for the Pittsburgh Pirates. And then behind that, last hit goes to the Orioles again, and with Adam Jones. So Orioles had a nice break. 22 of 27 for the Orioles, Adam Jones. Adam Jones. Go over these hits for you guys one more time, and then we'll do the random.org for the triple. All right, guys, there we go. There's our hits. Adam Jones, the one you just saw, out of 27 for the Orioles. Starling Marte out of 18 for the Pirates. Then we got Runod Oder out of 100 for the Rangers. Mike Napoli out of 75, for the Red Sox. Mike Napoli for the Red Sox out of 75. Chris Owings out of 27 for the Diamondbacks with 3 different color jerseys. Eric Davis for the Reds out of 25. Relic Auto out of 25. Michael Bourne out of 18 for the Indians. Redemption, Rookies and Future, Phenoms, Auto, Relic, Black, Parallel of Yordano Ventura. That goes to the Kansas City Royals. Then for the Orioles again, Jonathan Scoop out of 99, Jersey Auto. Nick Swisher with a sweet patch out of 9 for the Indians. Number 9 for the Indians. Kevin Gausman, Jersey Auto for the Orioles out of 50. And then Yordano Ventura out of, not for Yordano Ventura, excuse me, Vladimir Guerrero, out of 36 for the Rangers. For the Rangers out of 36, Vladdy Guerrero. And then we're doing this one right now. The Jonas Cespedes, Bryce Harper, Yu Darvish. I got to set the random.org up for that. Give me one moment, guys. So first team we got is the A's. We got the Nationals. And then the Rangers. Okay, guys, we're going to randomize this 5 times as listed in the eBay description. Everything's randomized 5 times. Whoever's at the top after 5 times will get the card. Here we go. All right. Here we go, guys. Got the A's, Nationals, and the Rangers for you. One random. Nationals on top. Nationals on top. Nationals on top. After 3. After 4, the A's are on top. 5th time, 5th and final time. Good luck to everybody. Rangers. Let's get the card. You have randomized this list 5 times. Rangers are on top. Rangers on top after 5 times. So the Rangers, Yu Darvish. The guy with the most colors is going to get this card. Texas Rangers will get the Yu Darvish after the ram.org. Here we go, guys. That's a break. Thanks for breaking with Cardboard Hobby. This is Dustin. I'll be hanging around for a couple minutes after the break. If you guys got any questions, want to see anything again, let me know. I'll be more than happy to go through that. If not, thanks for breaking with me, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good night.